Bam, shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Welcome to the Crypto Lifer Show, baby. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Woke up kind of cloudy today. It's weird. It's like, you ever get a cloudy day where you're just like not sure what's going on? I wanted to wear the Easter colors, you know, a little purple, a little pink, whatever. I'm a little colorblind, but I'm trying to be floral over here, trying to make it feel good. Shout out to all my beautiful souls on the live. Shout out to each and every one of you for being here, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Welcome to the Crypto Lifer Show. We got the radio voice. We got the beautiful, beautiful charts. And we have so many things to show you today. Shout out to each and every one of you. Stop and do this right now. Something I want to talk about immediately. We're going to break it down, talk about it, and go into the charts. And we're going to break down the news, talk about what's happening. We have so much for you today planned. Me and my team have been working extremely hard on these episodes every single day to bring you an amazing form of entertainment and fun and education. So I hope you're here to get an education. Hope you're having a good time. May God bless you all for being here on this beautiful Good Friday. You know what I mean? Shout out to all my Christians. Shout out to everybody out there. Shout out to all my Muslim people who are in Ramadan right now. God bless you all. I grew up Catholic. I converted to Islam when I was 21 years old due to some strange events in my life. I basically still hold, you know, the truths of both religions. I'm kind of stuck in the middle in a way. But what I do believe is I believe in God. I believe in all the prophets. I believe in you. Who cares? I believe in you, baby. That's what matters. Shout out to each and every one of you for being here. May God bless each and every one of you for jumping on into the live and calling yourself Crypto Lifers, baby. As we start the day, baby, let's go! I just love my life. I love your life. I'm happy you're with me. Let's keep it kicking every single day, baby. Every single day. Shout out to each and every one of you for being here. And may God bless you all. We're going to break down Bitcoin right at the beginning. Give you the update because they didn't do an update this morning. First time in a long time. Woke up in a little bit of a fog. I really did. I'm being honest. I'm an honest guy. I like to tell you, hey, I woke up in a bit of a fog this morning. Shout out to the 300 beautiful souls in the live. 125 likes. Let's get the likes up to the watchers. Be a less watched day because, you know, YouTube usually gets less views on American holidays. It is what it is. Nice pockets wear, sir. Shout out to you, man. God is good, baby. Truth, Muslims and Christians are brothers in faith, man. God bless you all, man. Psychedelics are, yo, man, come on. Life or religion is crypto. Sorry, not sorry. I love you, brother. Shout out to Peter Eckel. You haven't taken the honey because I'm fasting. You can't put something in your mouth. So I'm doing my thing. Don't worry. I'll be okay. Let's talk about the biggest gain of the day that banged on him to the upside. I sold the top right up in here. I did, though. I really did. You can ask my crew. But, you know, I got in somewhere here in this falling wedge. We went sideways, popped up. I didn't take profits, came back down. I wanted my target. And I waited. Now, it wasn't that bad if you gotten in here. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days to make over 60% gains. That's 6% a day. If you're pulling in 6% a day, you're doing real good. So remember that. That's a big move to the upside. Cristiano Moros, we are brothers and sisters. All is one. God bless you, man. In Sarasota now, Sam. I can't wait to come. I'm going to see you, baby. Take me to breakfast at what is it called? Fresh Catch? First Catch? First Catch, man. I love that spot. I like the Green Lizard, too, on Main Street there. Look up doctrinal statements of fundamental independent Baptists and see how well it aligns with the Bible. Believe, and you will be saved. God bless you, man. You do what Jesus did. Jesus prayed to God. All you got to do is do exactly. Jesus told you exactly what to do. Pray to God. Jesus prayed to God, right? Why did Jesus pray to God? Who was Jesus praying to? I'm just asking you a quick question. Who was Jesus praying to? Jesus was showing you what to do. Just do what Jesus did. Jesus, I'm not going to say it, but I fast daily. First watch. You mean, Sam? First watch, baby. Much love and respect. 18 hours. Awesome screen share last night. Thank you, Lifer. Jesus also said NFA. You're funny. We love the 99. We're family bonded together in Father. Honestly, as long as you care about everyone else in the world, I don't care what religion you have. I don't care what you believe. As long as you care about other people, as long as you wouldn't treat others the way you don't want to be treated, you're good to go. You're all set. You're going to have a beautiful life. You know what I mean? You have nothing to worry about. But we took Heinz and 4 for gains. I sold it. I woke up to gains. It was awesome. Who here woke up to gains? I woke up to gains. I did. It was me. Yes. Shout out to everybody here. 400 people on the live. Let's get the energy up and running. Can't put a price on Sammy. Shout out to Eric Browning. Don't try, man. Try is the worst word in the English language. Throw it out the window. Try, worry, and I can't. Just take them and boot them like a ball right out of the sky. I've got no shoes on today, but I got pants on. That's the beauty. You can do barefoot trading. I'm running barefoot, baby! Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Thank you for jumping on in. Thank you for jumping on into the day. Okay. Barefoot trading. You heard it here, folks. I'm saying that was the first time. Feels good, brother. Exactly. Just be kind and love each other. Exactly. Amen. Got a no worry image to share with you. I'll put it in the 99. Shout out to Robert D in the house. God bless you, Robert. Thank you for being here. Hold on. I'm just going to take off. I'm going to have to turn off my mixer for a second. I'll be right back. I just had to see. There we go. See it? Yeah, that's supposed to help the level there. Okay. Every time I do the Zoom gets in the brain of my audio. I don't know why. So you got to sell green candles, right? Let's talk about it. Look at the daily. Got extremely overbought. It's time. Stochastics RSI telling me that we're at the end of momentum, and it was time. I bet Sam is standing on a bed of nails. His power's in action. How did you know I keep nails right here, and I'm standing on them? How did you know that? This guy's amazing. Unbelievable. Okay, shout out to each and every one of you for being here. May God bless you all. Let's break down Bitcoin. It's acting funky, wonky, spunky. Let's take a look at what's happening. Flat day in the markets. We know the markets are closed today, so it's just going to be kind of quiet day. I highly suggest this is a good day to take it easy. You know what I mean? It's a good day to take it. Actually, there's no good day to take it easy, huh? You tell me to take it easy, huh? I'll tell you to take it easy over there, eh? So look, let's take a look at what's happening in the markets today. Let's break it down. Remember, in my screen share, I believe we would end up somewhere in this green zone, in this green box. We actually didn't. We went dumped a little bit out of this channel. The inverted head and shoulder did not break out. See, shoulder, head. We looked for the right shoulder. We got the right shoulder, but we slumped. 32% of the time, you aren't going to make the move. But look at this. This is a bullish divergence now. Because that's slight, up. Yeah, baby. That's a Class C bullish divergence. That is a sharper downtrend than that. Tells us that we'll likely make a break to the upside here and make a higher high above this high. We have a horrible resistance at 28,100. If we can't get back above it, expect more downside. That hidden bullish divergence played out, but only to resistance. What I learned about divergence is as strong as the next resistance, it'll give you a pump every time. Like if you're on a smaller time frame, you're 90% of chance you're getting a pump. All right? 90% chance you're going to get a pump here. And where is Gus? Where is Gus? We want Gus. We need Gus. There's an infamous man named Gus that we want here on the stream. Where is Gus? I told Gus that I would teach him about AI if he just came and made one comment on the stream. Where is Gus? Where is Gus? Is Gus going to show up? We're all waiting for you, Gus. We're all waiting for you. Shout out to everybody here on the live. I'm seeing if Gus can come to the live stream. He's infamous in the space. Where is Gus? We need Gus. It's looking like a green weekend. Might be getting started. The screen share gives me so much motivation to progress in life. Thank you, Sammy. God bless you, man. We put in our all, man. Gus missed the bus. Oh my gosh, you nailed it. Gmail Brown. That could be him right there. Funny. Board Type Crow. That's disgusting. He's not here. Oh my gosh. We're going to have to send this to him. Let's make some more Gus. Anyone got any more Gus things? Discuss it. Don't discuss it with him over here. Thumbs up for Gus. Okay. Okay, we got a lot of people asking for Gus. Can everyone say, Gus, where are you? I want everyone to say, Gus, where are you? Gus, I want to show him how many people are begging for him to come on. Right? I'm going to film this. Please start the comments right now. I'm going to film this for him and send it to him. Gus, we need more gusto. I'm gussing he'll come later. Gus, where you at? Sam is filled with gusto today. Gus, where are you, bro? Where's Gus? Yo, Gus. Gus, baby. Yo, this is hilarious. He's going to laugh so hard. Dude, all these people want you, Gus. Look at this. We could sell a Gus product right now. My goodness. This is a call to action. A lot of people can't do this with a product they're trying to sell. We just want to say hi to Gus. Oh my gosh, this is out of control. Dude, he's going to laugh so hard. If he doesn't show up, I told him 10:30. This is insanity. You guys are awesome. I love everybody hiding underground. Now he's going to comment. We're not going to see his comment. He's never going to make it in. This is hilarious. Oh my gosh, it keeps going. You know what? Let's break it down. Let's talk about it today. Let's go over Bitcoin. I know I'm playing around, but I want to make sure people realize they come here for education and it's a good place to come. Like, and we're not always just joshing around and playing around. So we have a little bit of bullish divergence here. And we're getting low on the RSI. Remember, you don't always have to go to the dotted line. You know, low is low, baby. Low is low. So anything could happen. All right. MACD showing lack of bearish momentum. About to get across. Almost a shoulder, head and a shoulder on the MACD. That's very interesting to moi. Moi. I said moi. It's okay. My Canadian people probably say moi all the time, right? Do you guys say moi? I'm wondering. I just Gus on the beach. New boot goofing. Gus 3X. Came for the Gus, stayed for the crypto. Yo, it's so funny, man. No Gus fee. Gus boy. Yo, this is insane. We got to clip this out and just make it a Gus day. This is insane. Gus is the man. Dude. They want you bad, Gus. He's a smart man, too. I believe I could have him on the show one day. They want you bad, baby. I mean, you guys are awesome, man. No Gus, no glory. Gus and roses. Gus is with the gusto. Yo, they said no Gus, no glory. You guys are I gotta keep these up. Oh my God. Look what they say. Look at the comments here. We got no Gus, no glory. Gus and roses. You look great. Love the beats. Thank you. Gus, he's not coming. Get it? Gus, he's not. Gusless swaps are a game changer. Gus, keep calm. He'll be here. You know, like, just keep calm. Gus don't like his crust. Fungus is a fun guy. Gus the love, man. Scream if you want Gus faster. Oh my gosh, man. This is hilarious. You guys made my day. I'm bullish on Gus. I'm just gussing around. Oh my gosh. He's going to come out of like his busy CEO meeting He's the CEO of a publicly traded company, and we're messing with him right now. He's the CEO of a publicly traded company, and we're all messing with him. It's the best, man. You gotta love it. Gusto, Gus Coin. I'm taking a Gus. Lifer is gussing over Gus. Me Gus to meet you. Dude, I can't get many comments when I ask you guys a simple question. Like, I should have been using this Gus tactic a long time ago to raise this chat rate. This is unbelievable. All right, who am I? Wait. Oh, no, I don't have. Oh, yeah. Who am I? Let's do who am I in the space. We'll do a 5-minute who am I. Who am I? And that went to the upside. All the way to the upside. Watch me trade. I have to be over here, though. Remember? He's over here. He's always over here now. Who am I? 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 All right. Who am I now? Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the Cryptoverse. Who am I? Who am I? Ben C. He said lame. Yo, you're so funny, man. I love Tom. Me and Tom are friends, man. I'm just messing around. We're just having fun. Me and Tom are friends. Like, we're having fun, man. No, because he made a tweet today that made me laugh so hard. He was like, I don't trust people who wear sunglasses inside, right? And it was so funny, right? And I was like, never did. And I was like, do you think I could get Tom Crown to take his glasses off in an interview? What are the odds, right? Let's see if did he respond, you know. The question is, how many sats will it take? Would be awesome, right? Someone's got to do it one day. I've seen him with his glasses off. I was at an event in Miami. He came to the event, and I saw him with his girlfriend, I believe, and he had his glasses off. Got a Jordan Cameron impression? Hey, I'm going to eat a shock, everybody, all right? I'm going to eat a shock. Just so you know, let's eat a shock. Send in a super chat, I'll eat a shock. You know what I mean? Crypto Lifer wears pencil neck shirts. Oh, my gosh. No, it's funny. Today for Bitcoin price, Tom is one of the greatest human beings on earth, man. I love Tom with all my heart. Beautiful person. He reached out and DM'd me like a few months back, man, on a really heartfelt level when I was on a Miss Teen crypto show, like laying down my life, and he DM'd me. He's like, yo, man, like, that hit me hard, man. And that's when I became like a full-blown Tom Crown supporter. Like, I love that man. I just want to let that know. Anyone says anything bad about my bad Tommy, the lifers are coming for you. I'm telling you right now. In a nice way. We're going to hug you a lot. We're just going to hug you a lot. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm supposed to be working. Jordan is legendary. You're funny. Fair game. Jordan impersonates everyone. Funny guy. Dude, we're a beautiful community. Teach him some dating TA. He needs help. Some dang TA. You know, these guys are funny, man. Anyway. Do Jeb. What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Jeb. How's that? That's not bad, right? That's pretty good. What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Jeb. I like Jeb too, though, so I don't want anyone to think I'm being rude. I love Jeb, man. He's the man. You guys are just asking for impersonations, because I do them. Like, I'll do my Peter. Hey, Lois, I think I'm going to grow a beard. Hey, Chris, go to your room before I put my foot up here. Hey, hey, Lois, I think I'm going to grow a beard. Hey, everybody, when I go to Quahog, everybody surrounds me. They say, hey, how do you know the Crypto Lifer? You're on the Crypto Lifer show all the time. How did you get that plug? Gotta start using Gaussian channel, baby. Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, it's Gust. Hi, Crypto Lifer. Rob and Dave from Sin City. I gotta do Rob, right? And let's just make this clear. I'm not making fun of anybody. I love everyone we're talking about. I want to make that very clear. We love everybody. This is true love. This is just entertainment on a Friday when Bitcoin's sideways. Hola! That's my best Rob impression, man. My coins got Gust. You mean the Gustian channel? Oh! Nice work. Well played. Did you miss any super chats? Internet went out for some minutes. You never know. Spit 4 bars, word to the 4 hour. You're funny. Shout out to Stack McChange in the house. Now, Dave is a little... When Dave did Michael Saylor, that was hilarious. It's Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin. AGX, please. Great content. Do you have a purple tie by chance? That might go well with the outfit. Oh, I have so many ties. Yeah, I do. You want me to put on the purple tie? We got something. We got something.
Find me a purple tie.
All right, so I couldn't find a purple tie at time, and I was going to waste too much time. So I'm back. I'm back in action. Can you do Woody from Toy Story? I have to listen to it first to be able to do it. You know what I mean? I kind of have to listen to him. Like, if I haven't listened to it in a while, I forget. I think he's letting Gus in. I'll Gus, catch you later. I have a meeting. He probably showed up when I wasn't here. You know what I mean? All right, let's take a look here. Let's break it down. Let's talk about Bitcoin. I see Bitcoin moving on the 4-hour time frame and starting to make a big move to the upside, right? That's what I'm seeing. 1 hour starting to push up too. I see a bullish move. That's bullish divergence here. You're about to get across with a 1 hour time frame. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I really am. What I want to see is Bitcoin break to the upside here, though. It has to get above this resistance point. It has to. So I got a lot of lines over here. Too many lines. But here's the deal. Here's our next big resistance at 28,100. We got to break back above it to remain bullish. It's that simple. We just need one more bank to collapse this afternoon, and we'll be all set, right? Yes, sir, bulls. Hey, how you doing? Shout out to Majin Crypto, my man. Shout out to Creator Crypto, short squeeze, Bitcoin. Possibly a bit of a short squeeze. Let's take a look at BOOKMAP too and keep it moving. If you could do Robin Williams, you could do any voice. I can do Robin Williams. He did the little bit. When he did the little bit. Did you hear Randy MTC? LOL. Do your best, Randy MTC. I could do Randy. Oh, Sam, you're so nice. I can't. Oh, man. Hey, Lois, I think I'm gonna grow a beard. Maki Wahlberg. Babe, I can do Maki. You know, babe, I played a cop, I play a fireman. It doesn't matter, babe. We can do this. I'll get you to the train station right on time. Just jump in the car. I can get you there. You don't need a cab or an Uber, babe. I can drive you there and still get to work on time. It doesn't matter. We can do this, babe. My brother used to do it all the time. I love it. We Gus to hear from Gus now. I know, right? Where is the Gus man? You gotta check your DMs, man. They want you. They all want you. Everybody needs you. Super chats, Ajax. We'll get to that. Don't worry. That's good time this morning, fam. He's not going to answer. He's already in a board meeting, man. He's going to bitch at me like, I was in a board meeting when you did that. How dare you? Yep, no. Crypto face, gotta hear it. You want me my crypto face impression? I just gotta put a mask on and burp. I'm not hating. I love all these people. I actually love every single one we're talking about. They're awesome. They all inspired me to do amazing things with my life. Shout out to each and every one of them. Shout out to Tom Crown for showing up every single day and busting his butt and doing what he does. Shout out to Jordan Cameron for busting his butt and showing up every day and doing what he does. Shout out to Benjamin Cohen for making videos day in and day out and doing what he does. We love every single channel here. There's no malintent. We're having fun on a Friday. You know what I mean? I've been doing impressions for a long time on the show. People were just asking for impressions. We're having fun. I just want to make it really clear. It's all 100% above board, man. I would go to bat for any one of those people. If they ever needed help or anything ever happened, they're my crypto family. They're in this they're in this battle with me together. And you know what I mean? We all need to stick together in the crypto space. Exactly. That crypto phrase impression though. Gus bored. Gus, how many fingers am I holding up? You guys are so funny. That's funny. I like that. So let's take a look here at BOOKMAP. BOOKMAP is, what is BOOKMAP? It's an indicator that you can buy and purchase for a monthly rate. And what it does is it shows you where the people are aiming to buy and sell Bitcoin on the order books. It shows me where the orders are. So I can find out where whales are hiding. Seems like a whale wants to grab up 27,600, maybe even 27,000. I'll tell you right now, by BOOKMAP standards, it's saying we're going to the downside. Again, it doesn't mean it's going to happen. There's no guarantees. They've spoofed stuff like that. So anything could happen. You know what I mean? But yeah, we could move to the downside here. Very simply, it shows there's more liquidity. It's saying it wants 27,600. That's what it's saying. So let's break down the bias. Let's look at it. Let's be open-minded. Let's look at our 15-minute, which was overbought and wanting to dump on us. Yeah, so the 15-minute, not looking amazing, right? Kind of got a double bottom, though. Look at that. It's a beautiful W. That's a gorgeous W. Could break you up to the upside. We just got to get the candle to close above 28,100. Today, I don't care about anything else. Can we just get a candle to close above 28,100? I appeared like Houdini. But look, can we get it to just, close a candle above 28,100? That's all we need. That's all we need. Gus like Arcane Bear. You're funny. That crypto, you guys are funny, man. Do George. Crypto gonna go up. Everybody, don't worry. Crypto gonna go up. Crypto gonna go up. And my wife and me the other day, we built our house. I have my Lego room. I got to listen to them for a while to really get. I can get it. I just got to listen for a while. And I can nail it. I got to really try, though. Put a lot of effort into it. It's not easy to do impersonations. You got to make it. And you got to do it right. You got to do it right. Crypto Blood. I never really hear him talk. That's that woo-woo, man. That's that woo-woo. Let me tell you about a trader. Now, I gotta hear him more. I gotta really sit with the voice. Can you do Sam Price? Hey, welcome to the Crypto Lifer Show. Shout out to everybody here on the Crypto Lifer Show. God bless each and every one of you for being here. Hit the like button on your way out the door or on the way in the door, whatever you're doing. It's a revolving door. Shout out to everybody here on the live. That's a W. W's break to the upside. The measured move takes us to the next resistance at 28,058. And there you go. What do you think of the bearish divergence on the 4-hour, Sam? Where? You see bearish div? There's no, let's look at the 4-hour. He said, what do you think of the bearish div on the 4-hour time frame? There's no bearish divergence, in my humble opinion, on the 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look. Bearish divergence is on the top of the, so here you would take swing high to the downside, right? And this goes, I don't see any bearish divergence at all. The indicator doesn't pick it up either. I see no bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. I see bullish divergence slightly, like a little bit. I don't see bearish divergence, man. I could be wrong. Is there something I'm not seeing? Can you look at the merge of near 3L, please? Whatever, it was just a rebalance, man. Are you going to build a bag of Jewel? DeFi Kingdoms. I mean, I love Jewel. I just haven't built a bag yet. Maybe I will. I'm not sure, man. I'm heavy on AGIX, man. I'm heavy on some other coins right now. I'm very heavy. Just check 4-hour time frame. No bearish div in sight. Yeah, I didn't see it. Norm McDonald, please. All right, everyone. Put your 3D glasses on and let the man put on the lifer vision. Check out the moon's screenshot this morning. Just check the 4-hour time frame. No bearish div in sight. Yep, 9 million%. He posted a bearish div. Really? I mean, I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see what you're talking about. Why'd you waste my time? Don't waste my time ever again. You're an NBA announcer. Stephen Curry back to pass all the way from downtown. Steve Curry for three. It's amazing! And he passed it all around the room. March 14th, it started. You're welcome to visit Michigan anytime, bro. I don't understand what a bullish divergence is. Looks like a bit of hidden on the 4-hour. Hidden already played out, man. This is hidden bullish divergence here. There's no bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to tell you right now, straight faced. I would have seen it and called it out. All I do is stare at the time frames and divergences. And I could be wrong. I'm open-minded at all times, and I'm not the end all. But look, there's no bearish divergence, man. There isn't. A hidden, you have swing down and swing down. This swings down. Look, they're matching exactly. Look, this came up, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, came up. You would like to see a bearish divergence if we swung to the upside, but we went to the downside. That's not happening. And you don't use wicks on divergences. You don't use wicks on divergences. You know? Yeah, if anything, it's a hidden bullish. It's a hidden bullish divergence that started around here, you could say, in a way, but it's not really that great. If we keep coming down, it's kind of a hidden. That swings up, that swings down, but you're skipping some. To me, the hidden bullish divergence was right there. That swung up, and you did make a high. You tried to get above the resistance. You got the pump. All right. Been nice scalping all the uncertainty in the 160 range. Building my USD and BTC. One bite at a time. I like what you're doing. The humble trader wins every time. Take a little nibble here and there. Who woke up to gains this morning? I did. I woke up to gains. It was awesome. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Shout out to the 649 people on the live. 294 likes. Let's get the likes up to the watchers. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for the love, baby. Yeah, on the 3-day, there is, for a while already, on the 3-day. Look. Yeah, slight bearish divergence there. I'll give that to you. But what I've been showing you is some other things. So look, swing up to swing up. That's kind of flat. That's a little bearish divvy right there. Yeah. But you got this beautiful trend line. You got the 200 SMA hanging out. You're about to pop to the 200 SMA. When we pop to the 200 SMA, what are y'all going to say? What are you going to say when we go to this yellow line? You're going to say, never doubt the lifer again for the rest of your lives. You're going to like, man, that man saw something that nobody else saw. Every once in a while, there's a trader. Every once in a while, there's a man. Every once in a while, there's somebody who looks at things a little differently, who sees things in a different way, who comes from such a different planet and universe that it's like nothing you've ever seen before. Is that guy over there? Who is it? Mass Network, please, Sam. I message you in Discord. Yikes. Were you trying to... Supportive resistance is what you need to worry about. Also, under the classes of divergence is deeper than rap. Join 99, baby. That's why I come here to get another perspective, bro. Shout out to Terpene Hunter. We love you, brother. We love you more than you would ever know. So we'll break it down for you. All the new and different people on the live that haven't seen the sauce, we'll give you the sauce. 4-hour doesn't, you know, the 3-day chart does want to tank on you, but I've also shown you the anomalies of the 3-day. So it is what it is, all right? Told you I was cloudy today. Anyway. So right now the 15-minute doesn't look amazing. Let's break it down. Let's go back into this area here. What the 15-minute does is going to basically control what happens for the rest of the day. If we lose a massive resistance point on the 15, it won't be great. So look, we definitely broke out. You can say we broke out of the falling wedge. That's for sure. We broke out of the wedge. All right. Do we maintain above the wedge now? So honestly, for the rest of the day, we just need to stay above the wedge. That's all that really needs to happen. 7-minute overbought. Yeah. So what I see here too is this could be a flag. You got to look at this like a bear flag, and this could break to the downside. 15 minutes suggests that we are going to dump here. And BOOKMAP does have some orders at 27,600. Looks like they may kind of come crush a bunch of shorts or longs here. We're going to find out who's who right now on the market. We're going to find out who's who in the market. So let's go to the liquidation indicator. Let's see how many people are about to get liquidated. Let's find out what's happening. Let's find out what is happening here. Give this a second to load, and we're going to look at who is about to get liquidated and who isn't. 1, 2, 3. Show me the liquidations. You see how that happened? Hey. So look, you want to see who's thicker, so we're going to shrink it down. It's pretty even, but we look like we have way more shorts down here. Longs down here at 27.6. So people thought they were sweet, and they got into 27.6 when that first dip came down. So remember that first dip? Now I get it. Hold up. I just realized something. They bought this dip thinking, I get it now. Look at this. They bring this dip down, and they know a bunch of people think they got in here, and they're like, oh, yeah, and they all put stop losses. So now they know there's a bunch of liquidity here because they created this dip. They're probably going to come and grab these people, right? That's just something to think about, all right? Let's put the indicator back on. It does show look, this is 100, 50X, and 25X. We got a chunk of 50 and 25X here at 27,600. And Bookmap corroborates that there is liquidity down there at 27.6. That's our main order. Something's brewing here. It looks like we're going to drop to 27,600 in my humble opinion. If I had to make a guess, you know what I mean? Based on what I'm seeing on the data. There's just more shorts here than longs. You can see the longs are scant. The shorts are too close to the bone. You got a little more longs down here. There's more longs than shorts. Sorry, more longs than shorts. They're likely to take them longs out. What am I doing with all this insane? Delete all those brushes. Delete every brush. Okay. You like how I did that, right? You got to be quick, though. You got to be quick on a live. You can't be playing games. So, look, 15-minute wants to dump out of this bear flag, for sure. Measured move would take us to 27,600. We have to be unscathed. If we can get unscathed, the 1 hour and the 4 hour will give us the love. So, we got to wait 2 hours for the 50-minute to reset. Or go halfway down, something like this, or come all the way down. And if we can kind of stay somewhere here while that happens, likelihood the 4 hour is going to take over and we're going to get the move. If we come back down here, we'd have to V-shape recovery, and we might end up down here, and we could have a shoulder ahead and a right shoulder that could bring us back up. I'd be careful for this 27.6 area. It's looking very scrumptious for a lot of people. They're watching it. They're looking at it. Can we get to 1,000 people on the live? Do you think we can do it? With my Labrador at heart. With my Labrador at heart, we may get all the way to the upside, baby. Look at that sheen. Look at that sheen. Look at the way it sheens, baby. Look at the way it sheens. Wow, Gus never showed up, man. He's never going to live this down, you know what I mean? He's never going to live this down. So, look, this bear flag could break us down here to 27,625. Gus Sheehan, you know. You can check Chili's, maybe, if you send in a super chat. 1 hour bullish divergence is increasing and price declining. Psychology of an M pattern, right? This is also a W, though. He said M. I see a W. I see a W. W Bush. I see a W right there, but we are, look, I mean, I'm not going to not say we can't get above the resistance. 28,000 is now heavy resistance for the move. So we're waiting for here's the deal. I'm giving you my prediction or what's going to happen. We're waiting for the 50-minute to come on down. As long as we can stay above this trend line, we're going to be okay. We break back in this trend line, we get tight. There's a chance we break all the way back down to 27,600. Bookmap also corroborates the story. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. Usually we get a short squeeze right now, don't we? Oh, they just built some more. Look, they just built liquidity right here, though. They're trying to drag us up. Looks like we're about to get a short squeeze right now at 10:49. Look, they do it about 10:50. The London, he says it's the London close, right? London closes at like 4 o'clock, and they're 5 hours ahead. So the London has just closed their trading day at 4 p.m., right? If I'm right. So when London closes, we tend to get a short squeeze. We don't know why, but it happens almost every day when I'm on my live. My live stream corroborates with the London close. All right. 1 minute squeeze, baby. What's your opinion on GPT, USDT? I don't know. It's all right. Gus, if you don't show up at the live, you'll be gusting out on all the fun. Euro close is 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, they close at 4:30. Interesting. Euro close. So I see sideways price action for the day. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we just make something like this. See, the 15-minute was in a tight, look at the 15-minute was in a tight symmetrical triangle that broke to the upside too. Look at that. Now I see that. Look. 15-minute in a symmetrical triangle right here. Look. Measured move was the length of the pole to the upside. Look at that. That's called chubby trading. All right. No, it is. And I'm not putting anyone down who may be chubby. I'm talking about chubby trading, all right? Like I'm just chubby lines, right? Look, shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for being here. So look, we can flag this out. And if the 15-minute can stay in another flag here, there's a chance we break to the upside. So just watch this flag on the 15. It is close to the 21-day moving average. And we could make bacon on the beach. 50-minute also could pump up to the 200 SMA. I've seen that many times. We're just overbought on the stochastics. Little MACD dried out there. So it's telling me to, a little weary, to be a little weary. I'm going to get rid of this bullish divergence. We don't need it anymore. And so look, we got a bear flag right here. That could break us to 27.6 unless this flag can break out when the stochastics reset. So my style is simple. I wait for stochastic to reset. And if price action can go sideways and consolidate, there's a high likelihood you get a move to the upside. So we're going to watch this 15-minute here. Reset. And if we reset somewhere in this flag, we're likely to break out of the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame. If we start to jump, and the 50-minute could take us down to 27.6. Both of these are possible, all right? You could open up an insurance short right here with a stop loss there. I don't like to short Bitcoin when banks are collapsing. I think it's probably a bad idea. But you do whatever makes you happy. You know what I mean? I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say and do here should be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial or an investment expert. I don't do those things. So, and honestly, a lot of the financial advisors I've seen, they're not too swift. They don't have the best reputation. Like a lot of them aren't into Bitcoin. Like a lot of the financial advisors people hired didn't get them into Bitcoin at the right time. So I personally fired any financial advisor that ever even tried to talk. I had one guy who's like, let me help you. And I asked him what his strategies were. Because when I was a financial advisor, I sit and I stare at them like, what do you do? So I literally went to talk to one day and I was going to give him some money just because I was like, I just wanted to see what he could do. And he told me that he was going to he likes to go in and out of Verizon at certain times. I looked at him. I was like, these guys don't do it as much as me. They don't look at the charts as much as me. They don't know as much as me. Why would I hire those people? Absolute insanity. That's like if you gardened every day and then you had a guy that claimed to garden and he walked into a bank and had a desk. So he just walked into Home Depot and he wore like a gardening suit. But what about the guy that has his own 10 acres of property and is gardening every single day? I'm like a guy who's gardening every single day. Are you going to go hire some dude at Home Depot that only shows up from 9 to 5? Hi, I'm a financial advisor. I'm just saying, you do whatever makes you happy. You know what I'm saying? Hire a financial advisor. You don't do diligence before getting into any project, coin, or trade, but I personally would never do it. I think it's ridiculous. You know what I mean? Give me my money back. Exactly. Props to the lifer for being live today. Shout out to everybody here. Have you looked at XLM at all? Any pump coming? We'll take a look at that. So we're going to watch this flag here for Bitcoin. That's what we're watching, everybody. I don't take days off, everyone. You know that. I do not take a day off. I'll be here Easter Sunday on my birthday, baby. On my birthday. I'm born on Easter Sunday this year. Amazing. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Let's get it going with the Oregon Energy. Terminated crystals. I terminate you like a crystal. Terminated crystals, baby. With the mandala. What you know about these? If I had these ordered, would you guys like these? I feel like I could sell these. These things are amazing. I love them. And you can make these too with rosin. You can make these with rosin. You go to Michael's, you get the clear rosin. They sell pyramid creators. They're like these and you got to stack it right. So you put the crystal in, you pour a little rosin where it's soft, you stick the crystal in, and then you begin to build, right? Most of these are done upside down. I just want to make that clear. And they stack it. You know what I mean? I don't know how they were able to do that. And they should put copper, all sorts of cool elements in here, and a bunch of crystals and gems. And this is Oregon Energy. This is Oregon Energy. If you didn't know, this is Oregon Energy. All right? It's an Orgonite. There you go, man. Whoa, crystal, baby. Now, don't even go there with that. Wook crystal. I don't know about that. So you were born at 83. We are Fire Squad. Got my Keystone delivered. The thing is pretty legit. Wow, I can't believe you and my sis share a birthday. Shout out to Kevin Baker in the game, man. Pyramid with a rounded lifer logo on it. Yeah. We'll get a lifer logo in there on the back, right? Yeah. Dude, we're going to be able to sell so many different interesting things. My wife makes me those, and she's incredible. Dude, could she make me some? Let's talk about it. Let's do something together, man. She could make them. I could buy bulk. We could slang. We could have fun. We could do business. Let me know. Email cryptolifers@gmail.com about your wife making those things. Love your show. Shout out to you, man. I love you. God bless you for jumping on in, man. You know, we try to cover the topics and the basics here. Trading is math. Trading is the energies of the universe. If you don't realize it, it's all connected. Fibonacci, right? Movement, energy, vibration, frequency. It's all one. The more in tune you are, the better of a trader you will be. 100%. I'm telling you right now. It all comes into play. Easter suit in the cleaners, I bet. Shout out to Stack McChange in the game, man. Can you explain how a ledger works? Yeah, it just, you write down, April 1st, Team Aries. Shout out to Skinny LOC, baby. Happy belated birthday on April Fool's, baby. We'll show you the kilo of silver when it comes. Yes, of course I will. Let me see when it comes. It's coming not too soon from now. I'll probably show it on the live stream every day. I'm going to like lift it up all the time. I'm going to have it there like every day. Milan. Yeah. So let me see where is my kilo of silver? What email did I use? I never remember what email I'm using. I can't get in. I changed my email there. Oh, no. Wrong email. Sorry. No, thanks. Just bear with me. I do want to find out when I get it, and I never have time to focus on this stuff. I might as well do it on the live. You know, Google is doing a really good job ever since that big... they're just doing a better job of keeping it as secure as humanly possible. You know what I mean? You got to hand it to Google. They've stepped up their game after that big channel got tokenized or something like that happened. Not a good sign. There it is. My tracking number for my silver came on April 5th. I believe it comes tonight. I believe it does. Out for delivery. 4/7 before 8 p.m. today. Out for delivery right now. It might be here soon. It's coming tonight. It's coming tonight. Yes. And you know, I bought it at the perfect time. Silver's about to explode and like triple in value. 2-3 years from now, that bar is going to be worth a lot. I'm going to slang it. I'm going to slang it for more. Shout out to everybody here. How much silver do you own? Do you like silver stacking? Silver, baby. How much silver do you own? Do you like silver stacking? I just want to see how much of my community gets down on silver. I get down on my silver, baby. You know what I mean? I love my silver. Do you think... I just want to see if Tom would... Yo, he answered. Yo, this is so funny. Yo, he answered. Yo, we got to show it. This is hilarious. Look, he answered. He said, is this really what you want to happen to your viewers? Look, this is... Yo, Tom, you're the best, man. We love you. The lifers love you. You're a legend. I'm taking you to dinner in Austin, Texas. On me. I'm taking you to dinner, Tommy. Is this really what you want to happen to your viewers? This is so funny, man. Dude, what a great guy, man. I told you we're buddies, man. I just want to make it clear. You know what I mean? He's a good dude. I've seen him with his glasses off, though. You haven't. All right? I've seen it. I've seen it. I think he has beautiful blue eyes, honestly. My dad has a safe full of coins and bars. I don't know if your dad wants people to tell you that. I don't think your dad wants you to tell people that, man. You know what I mean? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I love you, though. I love you, Jimmy. Also, a big diamond pattern on the 4-hour time frame. Dude, look at this. He's calling a diamond out on Bitcoin on the 4-hour. Let's take a look. A lot of people are looking at it like a possible diamond. Yeah, I'm with you, man. It's a possible diamond for sure. And diamonds are reversal patterns. However, Bitcoin is known to rip the other way out of the diamond. I don't know why, but it's done it many times. Right now, you're at the base of the diamond. So even if this is a fallout diamond, it looks like we could end up going back to the upside first before we do fall out. So we could come up here, tap, and then dump out of this I'm with you. That is somewhat of a diamond. I'm not going to say it's not 100%, man. But you're still in the ascending triangle, too. That's a 50-50 pattern. Diamond is a 68% chance you're going to break to the downside. You are away from the 200-day moving average. And so, a lot of things are saying that we're going to come down, tap the 200, and come back out. This could be a nice load-up zone for Bitcoin at 25,500. It could happen. I'm open-minded. I'm not all bull or bear. I see everything open, and I just take it one step at a time. You can't be like, we're going all the way to the top, or we're going all the way to the bottom. You can't do that. You got to be open for everything. You got to be open. Yo, what's the new replacement for 3 commas? ALTRADY. ALTRADY, baby. ALTRADY is the place to be. ALTRADY is really the spot. Like, it's where you want to go. Watch my interview with the ALTRADY creator, man. It'll blow your mind. Like, the guy is top-notch. You can't get better. ALTRADY is the place to be. All right? I just wanted to find this one thing that I liked about it. They got a beautiful market explorer that really breaks it down. You don't have to leave the app. It's got everything you need. It's got the fear and greed index for you at 63 today. Okay? It's got stable coins and how much they're up. It's got ETH, the percentage of dominance, right? It's got Bitcoin dominance, stable coin dominance. It's got the market caps. It's got it all, baby. All right? Market cap rating, gainers and losers, overview. I love this. I love it. You just got to love it. Top gainers of the day, Creo, Taboo, Fuel, B-Rank, and they're getting MEXC integration, everybody. And VVX. VXV is another one I'm holding. Vector Space II. It's another coin I'm holding on the low. And you remember, if this is the bear market, these coins, whether I bought now or in a week from now or 2 weeks from now, if we're in a pretty solid bear market, these are going to be the greatest prices in the game. These are going to be the greatest prices in the game. Look, I got in here on Heinz and 3, and I sold right there. Look, I sold that wick, baby. You got to use the green candles. It went up after I sold, but you know what? I sold right there. When you sell a wick, you know you did the right thing. Look, that's my sell right there. You can see it. ALTRADY has my sell right there, and it has my buy right there. So yeah, I was down a little bit, but I didn't get stopped out. I kept my stop below this ATR entry. Also, he programs these beautiful stop losses for you. He knows exactly what he's doing. My man is amazing. You got to put it in yourself, but he shows you visually on the charts where a good place to hide is based on, and that's based on like real good, like those are basically order blocks too, man. My man is on point. My man is on point, dude. Heinz in 4. I don't try to put a lot of in these. I put $500 to $1,000 in these high coins. They're very risky. So look, they're building liquidity here to kind of drag Bitcoin back to the upside. They're attempting to short squeeze right now up to this area to 28,000 yet again. Anything could happen, but so yes, there's a possible diamond on the 4 hour. It's a little twisted, but I'm open-minded to believe. Yeah, I'm with you. That's a diamond. I mean, you have the up and down, you have the sideways behavior. It's a diamond in my mind. 32% chance we could break back to the upside. So watch this 200 SMA on the 4 hour time frame. It does interest me. We do have to be a little wary of it. But if we keep it simple, we keep it real simple, like I've been talking about. This is a falling wedge, and you're oversold in the 4 hour time frame, curving up here, and you have lack of bearish momentum in the MACD. The 4 hour could just start to crush all the time frames, and we could rip to the upside. So, and the corroboration of that story is if we don't lose a lot on this 15 minutes. So again, we're going to watch this flag. If the 15 minute can stay inside this flag, just bear with me. Trust me a little bit if you can. I know I'm a guy you've never met on YouTube, and I'm asking for a little bit of trust, a little bit of faith, but have faith. I show up every single day. That should give you some faith. I don't take a day off. You know what I mean? Like the other people that just use YouTube for personal gain or whatever. They're in and out, right? They're not here I've dedicated my life to this channel. You've seen it. I give everything I have every single day to this channel and to you, and you give everything you have to me. Let's talk about you. Let's stop talking about me, right? Everyone says you talk about yourself too much. Let's talk about you. How you doing? How's your day going? How's your family? How's your kids? What did you pray for this morning? What did you pray for last night? What are you envisioning? What's your desire? What's your connection? You know what I mean? Let me know. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Let me know what your favorite color is out there. Mine is green and baby blue, actually. But I love green, though. I guess I have to say baby blue is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Let me know. What's your favorite coin now? I never asked anyone, what's your favorite coin? What is your favorite coin? Let me know what your favorite coin is. I want to know what your favorite coin is. His favorite color is clear. He likes clear. He liked clear Pepsi. He was on that clear Pepsi, man. Who here is old enough to know about clear Pepsi? A lot of you never saw it. You never knew it existed, but it did. But it did. You just didn't know because you weren't born as old as me. They called it Crystal Pepsi, all right? But it was called Clear Pepsi. It was. I know you don't believe me, but when I was a kid, we had a Clear Pepsi. It had no color, okay? And it was called Crystal Pepsi. It was initially released in the United States in 1992 and 94. Who here remembers this stuff? Revival efforts prompted brief releases throughout the mid-2010s. It briefly sold in the United Kingdom and Australia. It resembles standard Pepsi without the caramel color, reportedly making it taste less acidic. A global marketing fad in the 1980s called Clear Craze equated clarity with purity. There you go. They tried it. It never really picked up. I don't know if they called it Crystal Pepsi in America, but I definitely had it. I remember the day I had it. I was at a friend's house, and we had Elio Pizza and Crystal Pepsi. I'll always remember it. I remember they brought back Surge. All green and blue, but of course, Bitcoin color is for show. Remember Blue Pepsi? I don't remember Blue Pepsi. Pepsi Blue? Look, they had Pepsi Blue too, from Indonesia. Pepsi Blue is a bad. We should be talking about nasty soda. Dude, I like what this is doing. I like how we're flagging out here. This is interesting to me. I mean, you got you got a tiny little cup. There's a little kind of cup and handle there. The 5 minute says we're about to go. The 5 minute says that you can scalp this puppy to the upside here and get a nice blast. 5 minute could corroborate the story and change it all. So again, my system is about building flags, waiting the flag to fill out. If the flag can fill out, when the stochastics reset, we're in pretty good shape that the 4 hour can take over and we get to move to the upside. Bookmap's acted funky though. They're strong at this 26.7 area, 26.6. They're really building a liquidity zone down here. If anything, it looks like we're going to drop down to that area, but only time will tell, everyone. Only time will tell. So I don't even think Gus found out that we bombarded him completely. You got to check it. I'm out to my wife, text his wife, be like, yo, you gotta just check your. They want Gus, man. They want Gus, man. They want Gus. They want Gus. I remember Crystal Pepsi. Yeah, that's why they called it that in Pepsi Clear. I'm as old as you. Even back then, I was a funny. My goodness. I remember Pepsi Clear and Pepsi Blue. I have drank both. I didn't like blue. I don't drink soda, man. It's disgusting. It's so horrible. So Bitcoin sideways today, or to the downside is what we're looking at. Like, I don't see a huge move coming until we can reset Stokes, but you never know. So I'm watching this flag on the 15 minute. I know nothing but the fact of my own ignorance. I don't know where Bitcoin's going to go. I have not a clue. Not a clue. The charts will tell me though, and they'll give me the probability of what's likely going to happen, and then we'll go from there. So we're going to reset on the 15 minute. That's what we're looking for, and that's what we want. Shout out to all the beautiful souls on the live. 695 people on the live stream, 400 likes, $24 in chat revenue. You people are absolutely amazing. He was standing so still, I thought the stream froze. Wow, not blinking is hard. My eyes started to sting. Like, you ever see those guys that can do that and like, oh man, yeah, you guys are so. Breathe, Sammy, breathe. Give the guy some breath. He's gonna die on this train. Oh my gosh. The music stopped for a second. Sam, you my brother. Yo, Lowry, man, God bless you, brother. You know, she's 9 on the 9, dude. That's her, you know, that's her golden birthday, dude. You got to give her something really special, man. That's her golden birthday. When you turn the age of the day, that's your golden birthday. You know what I mean? So she turns 9 on the 9. I mean, that's her golden birthday, man. That's going to be a special day for her. Sam, you think we're closing that CME gap under 20K? I don't know. I don't think anything. Let's take a look at it, though, for you. Usually CME is the first thing that comes up when I put in Bitcoin. Let's take a look at all the next gaps we have going on, just to kind of get, so you guys know. So you don't go to another channel like, hey, I never found that out on my channel. I had to find it on another channel. No. We give you all the information you need. You don't need to go anywhere else, baby. We got you. We got you. It's 11:11. Make a wish. I did it. You know what my wish was? My wish was that I could dance with Tom Crown. Mass Network. I'll be 47 on the 47th next month. You're funny, man. Come on, man. You couldn't get a birthday till 30, 31, man. Then you're done. No more golden birthdays. I missed mine. I didn't realize that I had it. I didn't know what a golden birthday was when I was that age. You know what I mean? USD, Jappy, short banging. No, I was saying I was thinking of going long, though. It's pumping, you mean? Looks like Japanese yen is, or no, USD. Yeah, you're right. No, I always do JPY, USD. Yeah. But still, man, I see a cup and handle. I think it's just getting oversold, getting ready for a bigger move. Look at that. Nice short, though, for sure, off the top of the channel. I mean, you're overbought on the 1 hour time frame, and you had bearish divergence on my indicator. Told you it was time to short with the lack of bullish momentum. Boom. Probably a good time to long, though. Look at that. Looks like the Japanese yen might take some moves here. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's saying that it's going to beat up on the dollar. Any BTC pairs on the radar? Thank you for saying that. It's been off my mind the last few days. I do so much thinking about so many other different things. I appreciate you for saying that. Shout out to the 683 people on the live. What happened to those like 500 beautiful souls? We were all the way up to 1,000. It was going amazing. Maybe they're all just taking the week off. I wish all will go to heaven. Me too, man. God bless you. Thank you for saying that. You're a nice person for wishing that. And thank you for these 2 super chats. After Hours Investor for $2. Any Bitcoin pairs at the table. Thank you. And Pais 1976 EKTA about to blow. We traded it before and it boomed to the upside. Let's take a look. Remember, we're watching Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame inside the flag. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. So we nailed this. Wow, we were starting to get in there, and this thing just absolutely blew out. You believe it could blow up yet again? Let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. Let's remove all our old drawings and just take a look at ETKA on MEX Global. I mean, we got in, and this thing just rocketed to the upside like you wouldn't believe. Daily wants to come on down, you know? So I'm pulling Fibonacci's after moves like this, and I'm waiting for 618 retracements. We're pretty close. Likely that it's going to happen. In my humble opinion, something like this will make the falling wedge. And I'm waiting for that corroboration of the move to the, you know what I mean? We want that move down. You see that? I believe we're going to come back down here to the 618 Fibonacci level. This would be a good place to look into it. It's support and resistance flipping right in there. At the 706, you have previous resistance. And that's what you'd be looking for EKTA, and then it could possibly continue for a massive move. Look to 97996. EKTA is on the radar. Hey, Sam, have you heard of Gematria? Yes, of course I have. Very interesting. Numbers saying Japanese currency should make a move. I can send a link. I mean, that's what I'm seeing. Honestly, Gematria is the energy of the universe. It's all corroborated through math, man. So whether you're using the charts or Gematria, they may coincide at one point. Yeah. I mean, who knows? Crypto Mike. Remember Crypto Mike? I remember when I had 2,000 subscribers, he had 20,000. And he was talking about me and boomed me up, and I couldn't believe it. He came into my channel, and I was like, oh my God, it's Crypto Mike. And I was freaking out because he had like 20,000 subs. Crypto Mike, man. And there he is, man. Crypto Mike. He's still doing his thing. Right? Look. But this is Crypto Mike, bro. There he is right there. He hasn't made some videos in a while. Looks like he disappeared 9 months ago. He hasn't made a video. He just, see, man, he had a good channel. He had 19. You know how many people never get to 19,000? He got there. Man, had he kept going, he could have lived his life inside this channel. You just gotta, you can't give up on your, I'm not saying he did. Maybe he had, who knows? Maybe he made millions of dollars and he rode off into the sunset. You never know, right? So, very, very interesting. But yeah, man, this guy was like putting me on at the beginning whenever it all started. He was heavy into gematria, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'd wait for EKTA to come back to this sweet spot here at the 706 Fibonacci level. Brother, please. Brother Phantom, please, let's get the gains. How do we trade this? Favorite color, blue. Favorite coin, AMP. Thanks, Sammy. Thank you for saying that, man. Shout out to the Bombo for jumping on into the live. Shout out to the... Let's take a look at some BTC pairs here. See if there's anything hot on the radar for the crew. I mean, whatever's hot should be hot, you know? Heart, funny. We liked Heart. Humans. ABBC. ABBC always likes to pump up against Bitcoin. Does it make the gap up to the 200 SMA? That's the question. We'd have to wait on this fib, the stochastic to reset, but that's interesting. That could be a nice one. I'm going to take that. I'm going to send that into my bunched up 200 SMA pumping charts. Bolt, Inu. No, Bolt looks interesting. It's got a bit of like a symmetrical triangle. This could possibly beat up on Bitcoin. It's getting low and it's holding the trend line. This might make a big move soon. And, you know, any big move they make, if a coin is tiny, no matter how, you know, what Bitcoin does, as long as that coin can get a day of pumpage, it can gain on the BTC, right? That's interesting to me. Bolt BTC, DAP BTC, VEED BTC, Injective Protocol has been beating up on Bitcoin. Look at that. Injective Protocol has just been beating up on Bitcoin to the upside. It still has a measured move. It could continue. It's a little high on the daily, though. Too bad they don't have high coins BTC pairs. They know they don't want it like that. PAXG, which is related to gold, has been beating up on Bitcoin, too. That thing could continue. Everything else is pretty low. Would have to pump back up right now. So a couple outliers there, things to look at, things to talk about. And Bitcoin just flat again, 27,900. You can't expect a big move today. You know what I mean? Anything could happen, but you just, it's highly unlikely with the volume we're going to get a move. When they close markets in other markets, it affects the entire space. It infects the entire space. All right, back to the CME gaps. Let's break it down. So look, our next CME gap is right here at this orange line. Do we come right down to it and bounce off 20,005? There's a chance. I'll tell you what's interesting. It's a rising wedge, and rising wedges break down 68% of the time. And that would be the level there, right? Interesting. I would get liquidated at that point on that trade. But look, we're bending here on the daily. Usually when the daily, but you never know. We could jump down and more dump could happen. Anything is possible, everybody. Anything is possible. So that's the gap he talked about. But look, when another thing that people aren't discussing, we close this gap right here. There's a gap right above us, though. See, everyone wants to talk about the gaps below, but how come no one wants to talk about the gap above? You know what I mean? Everyone, it's like people are more into fear than they are into the facts. You know what I mean? Like they like to be in fear. They've trained the average person to go to fear. That's why most people aren't in the 1%. That's why most people don't have. You have to make more people live in fear. Sad to say, that's what the elites think. I think we can all live in love, happiness, and we don't have to put people into fear. But the elites think they have to put you into fear because then you have low frequency. When you have low frequency, you don't control your destiny. You can't pull wealth into your life, and you can't make it to the top 1%. So there's a CME gap right there, man. Right there, 35,000. So this is one thing. Right now, and this says stop, do this right now. Seriously, stop right now and get yourself a hardware wallet. Please. Get yourself a hardware wallet today immediately. This is a Trezor, the beginning one, only $100. I also sell the other one in the description below. I get a commission for all the links below. They all help the channel. All the links below help the channel. I do receive commissions from all the things below the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it if you dived in. It would be awesome. All right. 675 people on the live, 448 likes. May you get the likes up to the watchers. And look, it's on the 77 now. 677. Every time I take a glance and take a look, we're on that 77, baby. We're on that 77. Shout out to everybody here. Let me see where my silver stackers are at. How much silver do you own? Do you like silver stacking? Let's see. This much. Ooh, look at that. LTC is as close to silver as I get to ownership today. That's funny. Only physical silver, not paper metals. That's what I'm saying. I like stacking silver. I don't have much, but better late than never. Okay, should we speak about it publicly? I love silver. That's all I will say. And very well. I trust my silver to hold value more than the dollars. So I have quite a bit of it. Start collecting 3 months ago, gold and silver. It's easy to buy every month. Living overseas, they sell ingots in the mails. So you can buy 1G kilos for $9.99, which is nice, with certificates of purity. Word, I like her. Aris Fox knows what she's doing. I'm for the Constitution. I stand. Oh, wow. Hey, silver stackers seem to like it, though. I never try to pick a side when it comes to politics because I want everyone to feel the love. You know what I mean? I want to get everyone into cryptocurrency. We can figure out the other stuff later. I believe cryptocurrency will lead them to the truth, and eventually they'll find their way. So, yeah, so we got a CME gap here and there. Which one do we close first? I believe we could come up here. We kind of already closed this one in a way. I mean, we went to 19, came back and made another gap. I feel like that gap just happened because of a weekend pump. And not all gaps get filled. Not every single gap. About 6% of gaps do not get filled. We've corroborated that idea, so no guarantees. Shout out to my silver stackers in the game, though. God bless you. So cool to see you guys doing your thing, stacking that silver. Wow. 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 I mean, I saw the pictures. There was like thousands of trucks out there, right? Like thousands of trucks. So insane. I've been thinking of this dude a lot lately, man. I love the Kennedys. Like they even call him, oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm going to stay out of it. I don't want to get into politics at all. I was from Massachusetts, like the Kennedys, but it is what it is. I mean, I go for freedom, and honestly, whoever's more pro-crypto, I'm for. That's what it's going to be. We're the crypto lifers, man. We're the crypto lifers, so it is what it is. Shout out to the Marv computer. I got Marv burning. Oh, I got so hard to, it's opposite. Everything is opposite. Look, Marv is down there in the corner. You see it? There's Marv. That's Marv working hard for us. Marv is grinding. Look, you can change Marv's colors.